Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the correct company, open Tally ERP9 and select it. Once done, press F11 to open company features so you can change settings immediately. You do this because educational mode affects data display and vouchers, so accessing features first ensures the toggle is available. Make sure the company you need is active, otherwise you'll edit the wrong file. After F11 opens, glance through General Features and find the Educational Mode control to proceed to the next step. With features open, set Enable Educational Mode to yes so Tally shows guidance and restricts certain transactional changes. This is why you toggle it here. Once activated, configure linked options such as voucher narration, printing, and data editing permissions to match your training goals. These adjustments let you control what learners can change and what they only view. After changing options, press Enter to accept each screen, then save and return to the gateway of Tally to confirm the mode is active. Finally, verify the change by opening a voucher or report. Educational hints, watermark, or restricted fields confirm the mode is active. If you don't see changes, make sure you saved features, then reload the company or restart Tally, because the application sometimes needs a restart to apply settings. Also back up your data before switching modes so you can restore original settings if needed. This prevents accidental training changes from becoming permanent. If problems persist, recheck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.